Hello friends. So today we are going to see market structure. So due to this COVID situation nowadays, we are seeing that every day the total number of patients are increasing and we are on a verge of a lockdown being announced. So it's like a lockdown only. The names are different this time around, but still the number of cases are not in control. And after a specific market cycle for about 11 months now, so March 2020 we saw a bottom that has been formed, and from there we saw a rapid and a very progressive kind of a rally, which I believe for Nifty it completed in the month of February, and from February 16th onwards we started to see this correction. So correction is happening, there is a profit booking that is happening. For Nifty it is very shallower kind of a correction right now. So because Nifty index comprises of 50 different stocks through various sectors, so Nifty correction is in a way shallower. So if you look at banking sector or NBFC sector, the fall is happening at a real pace or the correction is happening rapidly. If we look at Bank Nifty, after a good kind of a rally since 24th of March onwards, up till 16th of February, there was a rally. Now throughout this rally, you can notice that the rallies were sharper and the corrections were smaller, or you can say shallower. So rallies were bigger, rapid, and the corrections were shallower. Then after that, if you can see, the correction started to get deeper and the rally started to get shorter, and then there was an exhaustion that we can see. And after this exhaustive phase on 16th of February, the Nifty formed its intermediate top, and from those levels the market corrected. Then all the bullish attempt, all the buying attempt were in a way stopped in between, right? So these buying attempts were failing, the corrections become deeper and rallies become shorter. This is a simple method by which I think correction and rallies can be understood. The market main trend you can easily understand, and right now today we are talking about this correction is because Nifty has breached important level of 14,300 in the third attempt, right? So the attempts were made here on 25th of March, then one more attempt was made last Monday, and yesterday we opened tad below this level, but then quickly we again came above this 14,300 mark. But today, after a gap up opening, the market has closed below 14,300. So I feel there's a considerable amount of correction is yet to happen in Nifty. So far we have seen 1150 points correction. I believe that there is more, about 1000 points from here, 900 to 1000 points from here, so 13,300. And if the fall is fierce, if it is fear driven or something like that, let's say the sellers are in panic mode, then we might see 13,000 as well, right? So I'm not trying to put a panic in your mind as an investor or trader. See, look at it from the opportunity. So if the correction is happening right now, you may get all the stocks that you desire to own at a discounted price. You might get all these stocks for, let's say, 20-25% discount. That's how a weekly correction is described. So similar kind of opportunities awaits you. Let's take quickly glance at different sectorial indices. Now from Nifty, as we can see, Nifty is right now at 14,296, and as I said, we are expecting around 900 to 1000 points fall more. From there, if we look at Bank Nifty as an index, so Bank Nifty formed a high of 37,700, and from this 37,700 we are right now at 31,000. So a correction of around 6,600 points, and all this while, if you can see, the correction is happening, the price is consistently failing to make a new high, and they are time and again making lower highs. So lower highs and lower low, a structure of perfect downtrend that's happening so far. Bank Nifty, the majority part of correction has already happened, and I'm expecting another 2000 odd points, 2500 points in Bank Nifty as well. So expecting price at around 29,000 level or so in Bank Nifty. Let's quickly take a look at the sectorial indices as well. So Nifty IT is pretty stronger. Mind you, January 2021 top is the level, which is 27,176, the high that was being marked. Then there were two inverted hammer type of a candle. Somehow March month was better for Nifty IT, and after that, right now again there is a correction that can be seen in Nifty IT. My expectation is that Nifty IT, there should be a good amount of correction in Nifty IT as well. And on this weekly chart, if we see Nifty IT, I'm expecting the price to be around 23,400 or something like that. So this is the level where I'm expecting Nifty IT to trade by the end of this correction, is what I'm expecting. Okay, the next index that we have is energy, and energy led by Reliance. So it's in a correction for a longer time now. If you compare on a monthly chart, for past 2 months it is consistently in correction. Reliance is correcting for little more time than that, but the correction in energy stocks especially can be seen very, very clearly. Then pharmaceutical is a stronger index by far, that's obvious. So we are into this COVID situation, and many pharmaceutical companies are into COVID or COVID related vaccines or medicines. So they are performing better right now. So pharmaceutical, my bias will remain bullish only, and this is a perfect environment for pharma to bloom. Auto sector, again a correction that is happening for last 3 months. This is the top. The worrisome factor for auto sector right now is that even on a monthly chart, auto sector right now is forming a lower high, which is a kind of worry for me, but the correction is still on. We're in the middle of a correction. The metal sector shining on the news of Chinese steel companies are in trouble, and so the reason domestic steel companies are getting benefited out of this. So that's one important factor, and the trending sector is Nifty Metal, and it's going to trend in this entire year, is what I believe. Real estate also in correction, right? Infrastructure, a similar kind of a correction is happening. So broadly, if you see, market is in a corrective mode for past couple of 3 months, I would say. Majority of the sectors are in correction since January, but mid-February onwards, the major indices are showing the correction in that situation. Traders, investors, what I personally feel is that don't be in a hurry to start looking for an opportunities to invest. Every time, every day, see, I have seen a typical behavior of a retail investors, or let's say people who have started trading in 2020. So they feel that every day, if the market is correcting by 4-5%, it's an opportunity to buy, and they're jumping onto those kind of opportunities, which is not going to take you anywhere. Have patience, right? And let the market, when it is correcting, let it correct. When it is rallying, we are always trying to find out यहाँ पे top होगा क्या, what will be the level जहाँ पे market का top हो जाएगा. They just want to be ahead of the crowd or ahead of the masses, and that is something is ruining the fun. That's ruining the fun. That is one part of it. The second dangerous part is they are ruining the capital part as well. So corrections are the phase where you have to be protective about your capital. You have to protect the capital, manage your position sizings in such a way that once we establish a higher low, once a higher low can be seen, that would be the level to invest, right? And don't let that happen with you, like the correction has taken away all the capital or all the profits that you have made so far, right? These trades or these situation trends are trickier to trade, and you have to be cautious from those aspects as well, right? So for COVID situation, there is lot many things that have been said so far. I don't think I need to add anything more than that, but the simple suggestion or request that I can make you is that stay indoors, guys, and take good care of your health and your family members as well, right? I am signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video.